Gentlemen, it has come to my attention that we've killed every person who was our enemy. Since we have no more people to whack, and it's been like 15 minutes since I whacked someone, I'm gonna start whacking some of my own crew members.
But boss, why would you whack your own crew member?
Let's start with the people who sound more like a boss than me. Now, let's continue with the test, shall we? But first, I gotta thank my grandmama who helped make these wonderful tamales. Oh, yes, Grandmama is a great woman. But Tony didn't even take a bite of my grandmama's tamales.
Oh, God.
Why you don't like my grandmama's tamales?
Boss, it's not what you think. I'm deathly allergic to
Poor Tony. Now he's all wrapped up like a tamale. You just sounded like an Italian there, boss. I'm working on it.
Boss, I'm so loyal to you. I'll do anything.
Do me a favor. Whack yourself.
Okay.
Too loyal. Me, you make the boss decide.
Oh, God!
No.
Oh, my spleen.
No, tampoco.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, No. And now we're left with my lifelong partner, my one true friend. The one who knew me when we were just kids. The one I would saw off my arm and leg for him. The guy who has whacked most of my enemies.
That's right. And on the day of your daughter's wedding, I made those wonderful sandwiches you love so much.
But you didn't cut off the crust of my peanut butter and jelly.
Fuck you.